This The Rich Company property video is presented by Robin Pond. Take a look at the home's beautiful setting in the sought-after community of Smith Shores. Connected by a series of canals, this private and crowd-free neighborhood offers superb protection for your boat. Follow the canals right out to the river, and on out to the Sound and Atlantic Ocean beyond. The yard is spacious, and is just under 3/4 of an acre. There is a small workshop that also holds boat supplies right next to the canal. This house is just a short 5-minute drive to the small coastal town of Belhaven, which offers quaint shops, hardware stores, groceries, wonderful restaurants, and modern medical facilities. It is an easy boat ride to the Outer Banks and Ocracoke Island, with no bridges to contend with. This beautiful house in Smith Shores has a park-like setting and is a wonderful family or retirement location, all at an outstanding price. For more information, review the details below or contact Robin Pond at 252-923-7424.